How to fake live snaps in Snapchat. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, you want to go ahead and open Snapchat. After that, what you want to do is you want to open your memories and then select any of the picture that you want to fake live snaps with. In this case, I'm choosing this snap and then tap on three dots on the top right corner, then tap on export or send snaps. Then you want to put it to your story. To do that, you want to tap on my story. All you have to do is put a tick mark just beside my story and then tap on the arrow button. And then your story will be sent. What you want to do next is you want to go to your profile and then tap on my story. Then tap on the three dots and save the snap. After that, you want to delete the snap before anyone else sees it. To do that again, tap on three dots on the top right corner, then tap on delete snap. Tap on delete option once again. Then after some time, what you want to do is you want to go back to the memories again and then select the snap that you have just saved. Then here you want to tap on the three dots at the top right corner, then tap on edit snap. You will enter to the screen which looks like you have just taken the snap, and you can edit it as you want. You can also put the time sticker and other edit just like you've just taken the snap. Then tap on send to, and then like this you can send your snaps to your friends. And that is how to fake live snap in Snapchat. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.